In the first video of this series, we learned how the Ionian mode is simply just another name for the notes of a major scale. Well, in that same way, the notes of the Aeolian mode are exactly the same as the notes of a natural minor scale. Aeolian mode is simply another name for a minor scale. Just like a natural minor scale, the notes of the Aeolian mode may be constructed from the sixth scale degree of a major scale. Here are the notes of a C major scale. Because the note A is the sixth scale degree, playing all of the notes in the key of C major from the note A to the next octave, a note also with the letter name A, would result in an A minor scale, otherwise known as A Aeolian. Let's also consider the notes of a G major scale. We can see here that the sixth scale degree of a G major scale is the note E. Therefore, if we played all of the notes in the key of G major, starting on the sixth scale degree E, consecutively to the next E one octave above, we will be playing E Aeolian. This concept of constructing an Aeolian mode may be applied to the sixth scale degree of any major scale. Now, as you probably guessed, the pattern of steps which constructs an Aeolian scale is exactly the same as the pattern of steps which constructs a natural minor scale. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Let's double check the notes of A Aeolian, which we had constructed earlier in this video, by following this pattern of whole steps and half steps. Starting on the note A and going up one whole step takes us to the note B. A half step above the note B is the note C. A whole step separates the notes C and D. D to E is also a whole step. A half step separates the notes E and F. A whole step above the note F is the note G. And lastly, going up one whole step from the note G takes us to the note A. By memorizing this pattern of steps, you will be able to construct an Aeolian mode above any given note. In the next and final video in this series on mode identification and construction, we are going to discuss the mode which can be built off of the seventh scale degree of a major scale, the Locrian mode.